Wagokora ikiachete gekamuremera igikorona yachete agachagatere nibwe gasi abwate bani bibaru wagokora Nairobi igasi nyire genta gokora ase ng'enche nibe yaete kurunga bane tutigarite gusa
Asamalieta ngurupu Lilian Kwambuka oyo mama orwalire emyaka 14 muna nakine mama kera arwalite nalengo makanije nakinire abana baminte emyaka yonse oikanjira singinju yo kulemeru n'obokomu bakagenda bado ngatigara ujigotema kulino nyike baru atingo nyara kogenda singinju mutige muntu tayora nyare gakoba komosoki mwana ominto naro ogosoma muri form 2 no gosoma kugwa mubereye gasi enkom nono konyore school fees ni gasi enkom ndutato minte yegite karo twalemere tu akagenda agatutiga ndori konyora bokonyu bonde bwensi omuisi ominto nero rasoka totomire kende ngere tonyole tonya gutumeka ntogosaba abarayi baito onye mukunyara gotokonya bokonyu bonde bwensi none umwana oyuri school anyore school fees rigera askire na uranyore mambi nero lenge bahati
na mwanju murigarari magaja roboti gosoka igoro yobotumiki bwechibesa ase chibunge oyo rikorigie kirugo kyobojumbe ase bunge ya Gitutu ya North Mugirango musike Isaac Atebe niga abairo bango ya gwesokia na kuboria abajumbe n'abarai kuba mujumbe bw'ubunge ya North Mugirango musike Josh Nyamoko kwane kuna chibesa chibekire ensema samagendero kutumeka chire samagendero naende chitumeke bya aya niga riko yakwana ase omoyego ya mabwa matanga ime ye bunge ya North Mugirango nagotumanyia umurikito Fatgad Gisemba
ase umuyega oyomo bwa matanga ase kinyoro kya mabariri ime ye ward ya bomwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira umuyega bwa komweni ya Nyagosira Bernard Nyaribo Mesa umuyega uyoiga ni guikiranwa na banasiasa korwase ebunge eyo egati yabo Moskedan Kanbundi nabo igo Isaac Atebe abo baromerete erianza ekirugo kyobochumbe ebunge eyiga nonye nigo ebaira ebiro ebyo nagukwanira ubutumeki bw'ekibesa kyamagenderero ase ebunge eyiga
twabeire emyaka 3 kuru 2022 2023 2024 kiro mwaka bunduki tokonyora milioni 300 ochose constituency echinde chikogenda chibasari echinde kyaswa chistima echinde kyaswa korosia chisukuru report nere yasogete muisondi constituency yetu nero yama chitukoba eyo muiso ze Kenya chipara epare kwe uchibesa ebwente korosigwa yabe ko moromwa yabe kwe koro ekoneri omorom chibesa chasoka chaso imefuku unabono iga 46 million chio sogete chigotebanga chiarabia chipara uchisukuru chenara kubatebya abantu bamintu ebintu byino linda weta ekura yaino
kurase ensemo yobubagi bw'ekipasari ekyo kikubasira borokiwa asa masomo ebatebire obwasyo kutiburi aroro ase omoroberio oyo engana ekoremaria abange
nga matangaria omogoi ngaiwa shocking news omogambio gotenote abanga chipasari chiche moche mwirike ngarakinie garama nero ororo ya siringi 250 kono nkebori nga omuntu akoechiribusatu nanda agosaba 250 ndika omongino yago takwende kondo kaisa ni siringi 250 na nchenga tena muna bunduki asaba muagama na tebe nera kara njoko konya abantu basobe wodi asaba nera bakonye konkonyara bakwemira na bonko mokonya efie ye ya 250 omogambi na gotebe tinge ekwende yonsi pia list yange mpaka nere egera aba echirwe chisato kanchire ko bayibera tigaba ibere kiagera bono ngitura kiane roro bisi nero bwate chinguru
korase ensemo ya magenderero yechipara ekyo kigenderete koroisiwa nechinde kurburwa digo Robert Tai oyore oyomobo asibaria bakubwati asobwange homoroberio oyomogima bwechipara abayenekiria bamenyi be ward eyo ya mumwagamo chipara ekyo kirachie koroisiwa
nyamayiga twasoka ntana nigeri already twakolire koyigora ya Gatandi paka ntana grading yao korwa beko morom next tumanya gwanse ye gutrimboka magari ari ga so Japan ndende gochi kionge muino ne yenera ari suguta trimboke kegogi oende nyamonuri ndende gochi kanani then ndwa propositi amo twabatrante no mugambi oyo nantu kamente yende koigurwa etono trimboke mpaka bombo mate ya suguta echichiko baigo umotego geti na ndenda gotanya liboneta
chingaki echecho nigo abaraya baiga barya kubamocha abarai barya korwagusi bamuganetie oyo kabeire omonachebina omonene aiga imeyensi ya Kenya David Maraga gocha koboria oburai bwense nagoteba enganeyo nokubagana omugusi
abantu baminto abana baito bwata chikura tochibeke chonsi pie kabwetemo torro ikiye kobosa bonodero boigo kako gendoro ndero nyora nabwate ase agoikaranse mesa. Kwa hivyo tunataka kulaani wale watu ambao wanataka kuconfuse Wakisii, tunasema wacha hiyo maneno.
Iko ripoti ya Getembe kurwaiga ya babachini ekyoke kutoka imeya wodi ya Bumwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango ekaunti ya Nyamira Jeffat Gani Yesemba
na mwanchumo ligarari agati y'abamenyi korwa anse emuchi okeroka oyole egatigati kose oyole asorbe rich county bere county ya Kisii na Boigo county ya Nyamira igwanya kabagwe sokya na kwereninga abaraimbi mono ase okwene kebuna umuchi yonyale kabaga koba municipality Boigo niko agati y'abamenyi abanya kabago kwanira igoro yogo chamo kumugusi asabanya kabago segetabuna ogo chamo na gukwanira eruga ya mumugusi niko korachi kwene kebuna umugusi ngonyorare magendero Morigito Paul Cap Okara na mange
bagukora negetasene kiga kya Getembe menya bayigani go bayiranire ngambiye mono gocha somo MC borogongore igarwe wadieli go momus Kenya mbega gisesa asokorete municipality mbe umuchiyo iga okeroka
to wakara mu MC to mbiya mono asoko toretera municipality ase umuchiyo yokeroka to go saba amagenderero asumuchiyo yokeroka igere kerwa keimo keigoro
ukwana Boigo nigo bagendere ko baba kuboli gese kukimo gusigo chamo asibabaganirie abarai kurwa Sorogongore garwa Gusii kubwatrana na Boigo osira ekerenga kyumurai kurwa Sorogongore rwa Gusii oyu obekire kerali ngana kunyara ko bagakoboli chikura cyoburai bwense omwaka kiri wibere na 2022
lakini nari gusaba igenteke monga abagambi baitu bali baro batware obomo oboragere nganonyine kero omuntu ndagutaka gukwana ikintu kurukando kiaba nkeri gutwara nguru ekyara abantu bamwe bamubwatseti igara amatubwatesi igoro yekero gojigojicha Nyasaye naye nagusese ni munagusese neti ari nakuri simbara ati kweranire gusia kwa iru chikura tubwatesi mwesimi wanyaribo tubwatesi abantu bonse bitika batubwatesi bari willing kubata umugusi lakini ngento tutake diko igwa negeriga gotebanga ki ngamugusi takonyana ntutwe kamboronge tureti atwende chiko turiki chikure bisako byonse byancheranire abayikoyo bancheranire ngaki umugusi tega no muchabakasi abaruya bancheranire abakamba bancheranire abayikoyo bancheranire chikabira chinyinge cyakoreke abameru bancheranire nkabira kiyakane ngamugusi takogana igabantu bamintongo basaba tosi como ske Fred Okengo Matiang
asinse mugende nigo bakwanira igoro yokugwo kwa Raila sekarigo kya AU asiba motogire nga nigabekira umukyo munene kulinde nigo bamuganire gocha imense ya Kenya na kugendera gokonya abakenya bange asikiri batebire no gokonga kubugima
Raila no mugako okorire gasi amasama tukamange tumusigete umugako oretire chichenchi amabadirika mangase nse ito ya Kenya ono igoro yobochori bwakorekanete moisonde etwakambia mone saurio mugaka Raila atenenete biya morembo kaba chikura etwe akanyore cyanyorete tugote ambia mono Nyasaye buna bangete nga ribaga mwete na rieri ngatare kubua tigairane
tubwatesie na ndaye ntogo gutiga ase Book of Guinness ese bitabu birie binene I rejected the stone. Diga na diria tokete ka riraya. Later proved to be a cornerstone. Raila Amolo Odinga. Nyasaye tago gotika.
iginko ripoti rigatase kia wanjite kia Gatembe kuiga asomo chuiga okeroka uyora soro berwe county ya Kisa mane county ya Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp okara
na umwancho murigererie kiombe gia scouts orosagia rwagusi nigo gia chengerete ogochakwa gwe kiombe kio ase ensi ya Kenya ase gotebekane kiombe gi Kenya kwa bage koira emiaka emiemo chimi isano na mana isano sito gose 168 years kurugia nyanto kwa bage gochakwa ase umuigo nyanto kwa bage korekali college momosi ase school gose university ya Kisii ase boigo abantu abange banyaka bakoboligwa kwebwaterania ase kiombe bunekio gose ase obukorere buno bwa scouts unenjira ya moyo kwa gendereria as chinjira ao
We encourage all this. Thank you so much.
Muligere na mange na koreneria se kionga chinsa ibere emagoroba rero korinde to kwenda mutimo ko mukaigo to kwirana tunyara kwa to kwendera na mange igo to skocha
Gatembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi
eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tokachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu biria bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchurigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Gatembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi Chuo cha anuwai cha Rirage Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option, ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering, ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied science, global studies. Wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima, ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kosi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Meruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HELB. Wanabweni safi au hostel. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika tovuti yetu www.riragya.tbc.ac.ke. Riragya Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi. Getemba Television ekionga Kema Mogusi.
Super.
Mwanjumurigele karibu na Nsemeiga ya kabere yekionga chinsa ibire na nigo togochaka Nsemeiga na roboti buna nigo ekiombe gose abantu batano na babiri abo bale ase ekiombe gose panel yogochigo unengia na gochora aba commissioner ekiombe ya police National Police Service Commission banyako bagotienigwa litukolia lero ase amagacho ya obomenyo gose amagacho yekigambire kanene gose Supreme Court abo banyako bagotienigwa ni bwacha wale tuno murai bwense omuchita ginya cy'umutenyi oeta na nigo bakoragwa amo no mu principal administrative secretary Adha Osia.
We want to congratulate you on your selection, on your appointment, and promise you our cooperation. We are always at hand. This is the first engagement that we normally have with the courts, and we are always at hand to facilitate this so that the process can move on very, very, very fast. We just wish also to reiterate the fact that this is a public trust that we have, just like all of us who are in the public service, in one area, in one responsibility or the other. This is a trust that has been given to us under our constitution, and so it behoves us to be able to give it our best so that we can provide for Kenyans and our citizens the best there is.
Mine is first of all to congratulate fellow panelists for this appointment and to heartily thank His Excellency for appointing us in this very, very noble exercise. Noble because we are going to address issues relating to the management of the police force in the Republic of Kenya. And we all know that the police are a major cog in the chain of delivery of justice to the citizens of this country. We all understand the current challenges that the police force is going through. We all understand the expectations of the citizens of this country on the police force, and therefore we are getting into an exercise that is going to demand for sobriety, is going to demand for a lot of integrity, is going to demand for patriotism from us. And we'll need a lot of wisdom and prayers for us to pick the very few that we will present to His Excellency for consideration. I therefore want to ask all of us to go and reflect seriously on this appointment, the implications, the demands on our part, if we have
na mwanju mo ligerali litukulia lero nigo ebikaro bie bunge bya nyaka bikweranirwa ase egati ya mangana mange nyaka baga kwanirwa ime ye bunge yo korende elirira libagali nene litukulia lero na bajumbe banyarka bakoira chinga kichiabo gukwanira igoro yobochori obwobonene banyarka bakwanikwa ase omochi bwa Addis Ababa ime yense Ethiopia litukulia Jumamosi ase omuraibwe kiama gya ODM musikerera Moro Odinga alengi hoyo mobo bwabarwanira bekirogekyo asatanya kabaga kanywa libagali kwere kirogekyo abajumbe banyole bagakwana niko batogia musikerera Moro Odinga nabo igo iganga yaye nagotabuna nigatemetegima na igo negendo kiwente ko kerigwa abuna abakenya banyaka bagakwana niko baragwamo no muraibo bange ime bunge yo musikikimani chungwa muraibo bake ime bunge yo bo igo Junet Mohamed egati yabajumbe bande abange.
It is also an opportunity for the AU to introspect. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, sorry, I see you have changed. Madam Speaker, it's an opportunity for the AU to introspect because the issues of equity keep coming up and barriers based on language, religion, or other factors always keep coming up. The way they've tried to solve it in Pan-African Parliament is the way they need to solve it also at that level.
Madam Speaker, it's a pity that we see ourselves as hyphenated Kenyans. And we demonize hard work. We demonize wisdom. We demonize aspirations and ambitions and achievements by looking at it where that person comes from.
In the continental politics, Madam Speaker, Kenya as a leading economic hub, as a leading diplomatic hub, we have demonstrated under the leadership of President Ruto that Kenya is not just a country per se, it's a diplomatic hub. That is why many countries decided to stick by us, to support the Honorable Odinga, and the little challenge that has assisted our colleague, our friend from Djibouti to win the election should be seen as a gain, because at the end of the day, we also live in democracy.
Let me confirm to the nation that he shared with me the thinking to run, or the intention to run for this seat, well before most people knew of it. So let me go on record as saying, Honorable Speaker, that it is not President Ruto or anybody else who put Honorable Raila to run for this seat.
It is not easy to raise the confidence of over 20 presidents of a country, Mr. Speaker. You have seen the first round, he got 22 votes. Those are 22 countries that have faith and confidence in the candidature of Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, Mr. Speaker. Many of us, if we were to contest, we might not even get 2 presidents, or 3, Mr. Speaker, or even one vote of a president, Mr. Speaker.
Leaders like Raila Amolo Odinga, with his Pan-African spirit, with the able guidance of leaders like Mohamed Yusuf, who is now our chairperson, and with the support of all African presidents, Honorable Speaker. And we must respect these presidents, Honorable Speaker.
Thank the President of this country, Honorable Speaker. It is seldom that a
na omoncho omorigereri omokonyi bomuraibwense omoske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigagentene bikaro byaye korwa ase amona parai au korwa kubwa mono asinse mocha Mount Kenya asiri kulia ranya rakabaga komirana na parai korwa ase county ya Meru asanya kakobasegeta kubeka chitobauti abachiage cia sensemo na kwenekelia aba Kenya na bananchi amagendero moske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki boigoni gatana chinga kichine chia amagendero kubwa mono korwa sale na igo ereta bwatikere kerenga kendi yonsi ya siasa sabonaga kolino kwenekeria abakenya amagendero kubwatikana amo nemirimu eri anyatukabaga kwegwa buna omokonyi w'omurai bwense amo n'omurai bwense Mosike William Samoei Ruto.
Najua mambo ya siasa, there are people here from different parties. But today we are not discussing party politics. We are discussing the development agenda of the governing administration. Najua pia tuko na mateso ingine kidogo ya kisiasa. And by the way, it is not unique in Meru County. It is everywhere. Political issues, political differences they are normal because politics is competitive. Na watu wamekosana hapa wanang'ang'ania viti, that's okay. So today is not our day to discuss our political issues. Kwa sababu if we mix the agenda we are discussing today with our political differences, our people will lose. Today we want to discuss how to unlock the stalled road projects, how to add more water projects, how to add more power projects. If what we want done is done, our people will benefit. Isn't it? In between, they will choose somebody to be a governor, another one to be a senator, another one to be an MP, but that is a political process. It must be separated from the development process. Ndio umeona tumechukua muda kidogo na viongozi wetu, tumekubaliana leo sio ile siku. Leo sio ile siku tafadhali.
Mwancho moligereri oyo nigakorokwa kisa Besigye Kiveve oyuole omorwanire bwekarokyo president ase ense ya Uganda ase myaka menge oberega kuligikoroge kiasa berega kwamerania amo na ye omurai bwense yo Mosike ya Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asegeke getambe korende gukonyeria kaigo nigo akabeire omunyagitari ase enyagitari ya Agakani ga Kenya na bwegenyete ya Kenyatta National Hospital esanya tukobaga gotigebirimo na kwenda guchikumubwatisia omurai bwense yo chingakiyo orengo murai bwa abanyanyimbo bali kurwana kurwa ase ebitutu imegose MS tuime Mosike Museveni ase Museveni yo manyagata buna Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asebono ekaro Museveni abeire omurai bwense nigo Mosike Kizza Besigye abeire gakwamereria oburai bwae na bono iga omwaka gosoma ali omwaka eta niganya tukabaga kubwato kuriga Kenya na kuirwa na gosiekirwa imense ya Buganda na niga gotebekana arwarete ase ebirengo bigoro ase abange banyaka bakubulinganya kabaga kubwato kulintanya taranya kabaga kubwato kwa na ngene baboliri Mosike Kaguta Museveni komwabira na komubwato kagosina komurusia mechera nitukolia lero nigo egati yabarai bebyombe byoborwanire bwobwere bw'amanyabantu mense ya Buganda bomirana na kosegeta na gusingira buna nigo Kizza Besigye abwantu kwa masikania yo kwamerera serikali na boigo hanyara kabaga kubwato kwa kolengana amo no bwene bw'amanyabantu.
We are gravely concerned by credible reports of Dr. Besigye's significantly deteriorating health and the urgent need for specialized medical attention, a necessity repeatedly emphasized by his family, lawyers, and friends. Dr. Besigye's ongoing detention constitutes a blatant disregard for the highest court's decision, undermining the rule of law, constitutionalism, and fundamental human rights as enshrined in Uganda's constitution and international legal frameworks, including the Universal Declaration on Human Rights. His continued detention based on charges brought before a military court is a clear violation of this judgment and a grave miscarriage of justice. This act demonstrates a flagrant disregard for the separation of powers and the independence of the judiciary, principles that are vital to a functioning democracy. Dr. Besigye, a prominent political figure and four-time presidential candidate, has endured numerous arrests and detention throughout his career. This pattern of persecution raises serious concerns about the motives behind his continued imprisonment. We fear that the persistent denial of access to adequate medical care
Manjo murigereri kisa pesa yua berega gwetira na makongo kurende ase Kenya bange bagotangata kunyara baga kunyarekana ase Kenya na ndoko manyanga nsachinde aba Kenya niko baroche mutware kurende hayo na ya gutigirwe birengereri bya amwana inchi gose byakira oyo mugwikira buno to gukorera ekeunga chinsa ibere magoroba ya lero nche ni ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyangirio tubatira na kwanza bimenyerio nigakoro ko itso makoli tomera nande ase ekeunga chinsa inye na gendera kugokera mirobeli yonsi ya Gatembe TV ekionga kya Mumosi.